Here are 5 AI tools that can simplify your life in 2025. Number 1, we have an app called My Mind. Basically, this app keeps track of everything that you have on your phone in a single app. So you can store your notes, quotes from different passages that you're reading, screenshots, different images, or links of things that you're looking at on your website. This app automatically organizes and labels everything inside of this app for you. And on top of this is actually kind of like your brain. There's no social media connection, so it gives you full privacy access. Next up, I'm 100% sure that everyone's used this tool by now in 2025, and if you haven't, what are you doing? But it's the mobile version of ChatGPT. You can use this on the go. It can browse the internet for you. And one thing that I like about ChatGPT on the phone is that it has a voice modal for you to use. Next, I want to talk about the app that is so useful for anyone working in corporate, and it's called Otter AI. Basically, this app can transcribe your entire meeting, generate notes for you, and you can even chat back and forth with this AI agent about the meeting notes that it took. Number 4, we have an app called 11 Reader. This is for the people that are on the go or just hate reading in general. This app can basically convert your text news articles into audio and have it be read out back to you. All you need to do is just paste the link of the article inside of this app. You can actually even convert the article for it to be in the podcast style. So it will basically be in the style of two people discussing the article. And finally, the last tool that I absolutely love is Google Lens. You can basically highlight sections of images in this, either you're capturing this or photos from the photo album itself. If you're looking for shopping features or if you're looking for location information, all of this can be done through Google Lens. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel below to stay up to date with the latest and greatest AI trends.